Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add phone number on Bigo Live. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Bigo Live application. Now click on the Me option in the bottom right corner. Tap on the settings icon in the top section of your screen. Go to Account Management option. Here, click on the Phone option. Tap on Connect Phone option. Here, you'll have to enter your phone number. Here, if you click on Country or Region option, you can select your country or region. Then tap on the Next button. Here, you'll have to enter your verification code. Then type in a password. The password must have at least 6 characters, should only contain letters, numbers and symbols. Then tap on the Done button. And that is how you can add phone number on Bigo Live application. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.